I'm super stoked to announce our first ever giveaway. What we're doing is giving away an all expenses paid trip to come out to the mountains in BC, ride with me and the Freerider crew, basically ride the same stuff you see us riding in the videos. Whether you're a pro athlete or a rookie, we'll tailor the trip to you, make sure you have a good time. I know this is a bucket list trip for a lot of people that don't really have this opportunity, so I thought it'd be super cool to actually give away an experience instead of just giving away a sled. I mean, you'll get to ride this thing anyway. So yeah, get entered at Freeriderfilmz.ca. Every $5 you spend gets you one entry. Let's get into the video. The snow should be epic today. Should be a good day.
Ready, rip? Oh man, today's gonna be beautiful. Where should I drop down? Could drop it here, just top up, I guess.
That's a tree, Jaden.
Oh my god, man. Go up the spine and down the middle. Wow. Best conditions of the year. Oh yeah. We should have brought more gas. Looks like Andreas is up on the famous jump in here. Oh, fresh ivy there. I swear I see it slide every time right here.
What are you doing up there, Jane? Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I don't think it's any good anymore.
No, it's hard.
I still don't think he's satisfied.
Today is honestly like the best conditions of the season. We have sun, deep snow, and it's just lining up to be a great day. I'm actually kind of sad you guys have to wait till the fall to see this. I broke it off. Hello. Giant selfie stick now. Woo! I feel like Caleb Kosturki with his katana sword.
Nice. The snow is deep. I don't really know if I got that. I'm not looking at the camera right now. It's a rental, don't be gentle! I think Jane's liking the 146.
I'm running Polaris here with a post-forward kit. And I gotta say, even though I haven't rode the Polaris in a long time, it feels far more natural jumping onto this sled from the Dew. Yeah, it says I'm pretty much empty. Even facing downhill a little bit. All right. I guess. I chickened out.
What's going on here?
Load of gas. This is gonna suck.
Why'd you run yourself out of gas?
Having fun. Having fun. Throw some gas off these guys. Try and get my ass out of here. For those of you who know.
Hey, no, don't spill any of that.
Oh, it's too expensive to spill.
Whoa, look at those precious drops there. Jeez.
I'm trying, man.
In the back. I think he's like really empty though.
You guys have been stuck in fumes forever.
Hopefully I make it. Uh-oh, now it says we have no bars. So I think I've come to the conclusion that I have to find a way to mount my jerry can on top of this pack out. I really didn't think I even rode that much today. Brody was definitely on the throttle for a while there. We need electric snowmobiles. We'd be regenerating right there. Look at that. We made it to the jerry cans. Or, I did anyway. I think the guy's right behind me. Get that electric sled down here.
Can't believe it burned that much. Did you fill the oil?
Yeah.
Holy crap, these are big moguls. Big whoops. So somehow I rode all the way out from the back of the zone we were in with 0 bars of fuel. Now, if I was on the 146 and I was at 0 bars of fuel, I'd make it about 2 kilometers. I wish like the gauges were consistent. It makes it hard to, you know, get your money's worth out of the tank for the day.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll actually be out mountain riding under 2 weeks now, but just want to remind everyone to get entered to win the Freerider experience. There's also no purchase necessary to enter. If you go to the website, you can find the details there. But some other details are like, whether you're out west, if you want to drive to us, we'll pay for all your fuel to get there. Like, all expenses paid, no matter where you're coming from, whether you fly out, drive out, and you know, whether you're a rookie or a pro, this is a great opportunity. Like, if you've never been mountain riding before, that's totally cool. We'll show you the ropes and tailor the trip to you. Or if you're a pro athlete and you want to learn how to do some flips and shit, like, we've got guys that love doing that. So, and I'll make sure to capture every moment on the camera, because you're going to be in the YouTube videos too. So yeah, get entered to win, Freeriderfilmz.ca, and thanks for watching.